I used to support Machaka. I used to love the guy as a Kaizer Chiefs #1 supporter. But today I see Machaka was not a Kaizer Chiefs #1 supporter. Machaka was the guy who was looking for the fame. I think he's one of those guys who are buying camera TV to take them pictures each and every game. What Machaka did to the team these days is not acceptable. Machaka is always talking nonsense about Kaizer Chiefs. Each and every week, when he's going to that team of Junior Kanya, he's talking nonsense about Kaizer Chiefs. Now he's starting to talk nonsense about the coach Nabi. The coach Nabi who brings the light in the team. Me as individual, I can see there is a change in the team of Kaizer Chiefs. But it's so-called a #1, a senior supporter of Kaizer Chiefs, Machaka, is starting to chase the fame, talking nonsense about our coach Nabi. Machaka, I warn you, if someone is paying you to talk nonsense about the Chiefs, stop that thing, my brother. If you are desperate, need money, we can raise funds as a Kaizer Chiefs supporters and give to you. Why are you talking nonsense about our team? Why are you talking nonsense about our coach? Each and every week I'm watching you. But I kept quiet. But now, enough is enough, Machaka. You and Junior Kanya, you are fighting Kaizer Chiefs. I'm watching you, Machaka, and Junior Kanya. We know Junior Kanya is a victim of drugs. I don't know what's wrong with you, Machaka. Or guys, you are chasing fame. You want to destroy your own team. If you are working to get money about this, continue. But this thing is not right. I used to love you, Machaka, as a senior supporter. I used to respect you as a senior supporter. But what you did to Kaizer Chiefs these days is not acceptable. Yeah.